안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Lara입니다. For today, we will do the unboxing of my newly purchased Korean cosmetics. Shoutout nga pala kay ibbeauty.ph. To start with, I purchased the Face Shop Power Perfection BB Cream in V203 Natural Beige shade with SPF 37 that provides wrinkle care, brightens, filters, and screens harmful UVB rays. This BB cream gives the looks of well-moisturized healthy skin while providing excellent hydration and protection. Also, power boost that glides on effortlessly to conceal skin imperfection for a healthy looking skin. I also have the Face Shop Power Perfection BB Cream in V201 Apricot Beige. This BB cream evens out skin tone and texture with a matte finish. I also purchased the ColorGram Milk Bling Highlighter in a shade of 01 the Peach Heart and 02 the Pink Heart. This ColorGram is a cube-shaped highlighter that illuminates your skin for a dewy glow. It also increases volume and sharpens contours. With the finely hidden pearls, create a three-dimensional and shiny skin. And can create a glow in a quick and easy way with just a light scrub. You can apply it with a brush or hand to the areas where you want to give a three-dimensional effect, such as the forehead, cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and the bangs of the eyes. This compact handy size highlighter is a must-have cosmetics that every woman should own. And lastly, because Kilay is life, I purchased the Etude Drawing Eyebrow. In a shade of 06 Ash Brown and 01 the Dark Brown. This pencil eyebrow has adhesive lasting power for your long-lasting brow tails. The proper combination of high adhesion plate powder, wax, and oil provides a long-lasting eyebrow. Also, a smooth and even color payoff with clamp-free drawing. Pencil glides smoothly, delivering evenly colored brows even when layered several times. Neat and delicate finish with the pencil shape and edges. The triangular shaped pencil allows you to draw precisely and easily, and delivers natural finish just like your own eyebrows. The 2021 version of Etude Authentic Design has the Etude logo with new pink prints. These eyebrows 2021 version have a 7-color system. the dark brown, gray brown, brown, dark gray, gray, ash brown, and the light brown. You can use the dark brown for dark tone with natural brown hair. The gray brown for dark tone with natural gray brown hair. Next, the brown for medium brown hair with a hint of redness. The dark gray for dark tone with natural colored hair with no redness. You can use the gray for cool tone hair with no redness. Ash brown for natural ash colored hair with a hint of brown. And lastly, the light brown for brown tone with medium light brown hair. Next, let's have the BB cream swatching. First, I will put the V201 Apricot Beige. Followed by the V203 Natural Beige. As you can see, the V203 Natural Beige perfectly suits the skin with medium to dark tone, while the V201 Apricot Beige perfectly fits the skin with fair complexion. And as a user of this BB cream, I usually use the V203 for my whole face, while I use the V201 as a concealer. I always love this BB cream as they give me a cutis Koreana skin. There you go. I hope you like my unboxing and product review. Thanks